see a lot of the musicians. We already have, like the first month, every musician was doing Facebook Live, and then it's started to slow down, and now it's not nearly as many. But I believe that the right thing to do is keep doing lives, if not increase the lives that you're doing, because I think that this kind of legitimized the live stream. And I think moving forward, it's going to be a real, just a phenomenal way to build your fan base, to build the most important thing for independent artists, in my opinion, and at least in my experience, is the connection that you make with your fans. And just like Wendell was saying, people all around the country and all around the world can't just show up to your gig, even if you're doing a live gig. So it's extremely powerful that they can even see or watch you. But then when you take the next step and you're able to make connections, like real connections with your fans while you're doing the live, man, that's just incredibly powerful, because when you make little connections like that, they might seem small to you, but they mean a lot to people. Very similar to, like, you know, if you're doing a show and the difference between someone maybe seeing you at a gig, you know, if they see you at a bar gig and then they go home, they're like, oh, that person was good. Or if they see you at a bar gig and then you take 5 minutes to talk to them after the gig, you know, there's a connection, and that's what everybody wants.
Yeah. And I've made a lot of new connections, you know, via the Facebook lives. But another thing was I've tried to be consistent. Friday night, 6 o'clock. I've missed one, but that was because I was at a festival out in Tulsa, you know, last week. But we've been real consistent about that. And I decided to, everybody kept asking me questions about what we were doing, because we were doing the green screen, and some people actually thought we were in these weird locations. But so I decided to share the technology to help other people. So on my YouTube channel, Being Tim Campbell, I made a how to live stream, and it starts from everything from a simple little phone in front of you using the mic and the camera on the phone, to adding a mixer into that, and then adding, you know, more cameras. And so it's like a half hour long, a little longer than I like to do YouTube videos, but it walks you all the way through the whole production that we do, from a simple camera on a tripod or your phone on a tripod all the way up through the green screen. So tried to pass it on a little bit, you know, trying to help everybody up their game.
Man, that is super, super awesome.
Let me ask Tim a question. Tim, what's your YouTube channel?
That's Being Tim Campbell.
Being, B-E-I-N-G.
Yep, kind of like Being John Malkovich.